Canned black beans and frozen broccoli make for some good road tripping vegetables. But after a few days of that, we start really wanting some fresh veggies. And it just so happened we came across Kray's Farm and Market through Harvest Host, and we were in for a real treat.
I'm Larry Kraay and my wife Sherry Kraay.
And we're south of the famous Sun Valley Ski Resort area. We've been with Harvest Host, this is our third summer. I will take the kids around and feed the goats and the chickens, and we'll look for eggs. We have eggs hiding around the barns and in the chicken house.
It was like an Easter egg hunt for the kids.
I can give tractor rides.
They loved that. The best part, though, is being able to take the kids in and pick our own vegetables.
Eat bacon! And I don't have bacon. I'm gonna go see if those beets and carrots are dry. Tomato.
What else is there?
Garlic.
We bought some salmon from them and made a dinner that night that was based completely off the foods that we gathered there from their farm.
This tastes so good.
Right now we have carrots and beets, kale, Swiss chard, 2 different kinds of cucumbers, tomatoes, shishito peppers, acorn squash, and delicata squash. And we have herbs and things as well. And I was just harvesting elderberries off the elderberry bushes for the elderberry syrup that we make.
It was also just fascinating meeting Larry and hearing about his experience with Arabian horses.
Started out as an Arabian horse farm, and he moved out here from Chicago to do that.
And that was the beginning of the dream back in 1972.
I thought there would be never a horse in the world other than an Arabian horse. But there's a pretty good thoroughbred here.
Larry lived his dream and raised Arabian horses well into his later years. But in the more recent days, Larry is lifting up Sherry and her passions for farming and hosting travelers.
When she was a child, her family would open their doors when the rodeo would come through. So her rhythm to life is welcoming people in. Harvest Host is a natural outcome from that.
A lot of people don't get to have a farm experience, and it's fun to be able to share that with people.
Well, thank you, Larry and Sherry, for sharing your amazing farm with us, your eggs, your food, and just the tranquility of the property you have.